Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is the Pallet Hive. You may remember back a few videos ago when we bought those Dukes, and then we had to put that transition frame in to put them into our Layens hives. Well, summer's over here in New York, and now we got to get these hives ready for winter. Bees didn't build out enough comb on the Layens frames to support 4 colonies, so what we've done is we went ahead and built some Langstroth hives. This one here is made completely out of pallets, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Turns out pallet wood is only 1/2 inch thick, so I've doubled up all of them so we have 1-inch thick walls on this. It's an 8 frame deep. We're going to get it open now and take a look. As you can see, these bees have been in here for a couple days and they look like they're loving it. The lid is also made out of pallet wood, 1 inch thick, covered with some aluminum. I guess I cheated on the aluminum because that didn't come off a pallet, but everything else in here did. Here's the inner cover. The inner cover is made out of pallet wood too, and it's only 1/2 inch thick. And there they are. They're looking great in here. This was an empty Layens frame 2 days ago, and you can see they're building a nice comb right in there, right where we want it, right in the middle. I'm not going to bother these girls too much right now because they're doing a great job. That new comb's looking perfect, and they had some queen cells in here. I think they're queenless at the moment, so I had to leave those in there. I balanced them on the frames below, and I don't want to disturb them too much. Make sure those queens hatch out in case they are queenless. If not, we'll be catching another swarm. We'll just get it back together here. Well, there you have it. I hope you like the Pallet Hive. We'll be checking on this in another week. Make sure that comb's still being drawn out, possibly add in another frame or two, and making sure those queen cells hatched. We'll do a complete hive inspection. I'm B-Boy Bill. Don't forget to subscribe.